In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NinjaTrader Multi Series. We'll walk through opening a chart, accessing the data series window, and adding additional instruments or timeframes so you can compare markets or blend signals right on one screen. I'll also share a few practical tips to keep everything clear and easy to read. First, open a chart from the Control Center. Go to New, then select Chart. In the window that appears, choose your primary instrument and its interval. For example, you might pick ES on a 1-minute chart if you want a fast view of price action. Once you've selected the instrument and interval that match your trading plan, click OK to open the chart. You should now see your primary series plotted and ready. Next, access the Data Series window from the chart itself. Right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Data Series, or if you prefer toolbar shortcuts, click the Data Series icon directly on the chart toolbar. This window is your central hub for adding, organizing, and configuring data series, so it's worth getting comfortable here. If your chart feels cluttered, remember you can resize this window and expand individual settings to see more options. Now add a second or even multiple data series. In the Data Series window, use the Instrument Selector or the Search field to find what you want to add. You can choose a different time frame of the same instrument, like ES on a 5-minute chart, to pair with your 1-minute, or add a completely different symbol, such as a stock on a 150-tick chart. After selecting the instrument, configure its settings. Set the type, like minute, tick, or volume, and pick the interval that complements your primary view. You can also choose whether the new series plots on the same panel for direct overlay or on a separate panel for clearer comparison. And you can adjust colors and style so each series is easy to distinguish at a glance. When everything looks right, click OK. Back on the chart, you'll see the additional series appear with the formatting you chose. If you added a different instrument, make sure your data provider supports it and that the scales make sense. Separate panels often help avoid mixed price axes. If performance slows, consider reducing the number of days loaded or simplifying visual styles. And if you ever need to tweak or remove a series, just open the Data Series window again and adjust as needed. That's it. You've opened a chart, accessed Data Series, and added multiple instruments or timeframes using NinjaTrader's Multi Series feature.